Oh my god, that bento was so good. Once again, it's from K&M Drive-In over here in Aiea. If you guys have a chance to come by, check out their bentos, check out their musubis, and their plate lunches. Oh, tell you! Ladies and gentlemen, today, let's go. We got 200 plus packages up in Aiea again. And you know what? I love it. I love it. Let's go.
Hey, what's up, everybody?
Oh, debut, Mello, Carmelo, Baba.
Oh, you was on there before. What's up, everybody? That's also I try to learn from before. I'm gonna catch up.
Alright, today we stay at Kaunohi, Aiea side. It's always a beautiful going up the hill. Beautiful thing, you know what I'm saying? Man, you need to stop messing around with these views, yo. Stop messing around with these views, like for real. Oof. This is one of the sickest views I've ever seen. Like, this guy has covered the entire mountainside all to the ocean. Bro, if this is not a view, I don't know what is. But check this out. Ladies and gentlemen, we're back here at Illinois. Such a peaceful place. Love it.